Would you like to see how you would like with eyes of a different color? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change eye color in Photoshop. Let's start. Step 1. Open your photo. Press W. Move the upper bar and click Select and Mask. Take brush tool to adjust the brush size to the size of the iris and paint over them. To adjust the brush size, press third bracket left or right. Make it bigger. Hold the Alt key and paint over the area that shouldn't be a part of the selection, like the eyelids and eyelashes. This selection doesn't have to be perfect. We will get a chance to adjust it later. Make the brush smaller and paint over the pupils while holding the Alt key. If you cannot see the pupils, try to guess where they are. Set output to selection and click OK. Add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. It will automatically use the selection as its max. Name the layer color. Check the colorize and give eyes. Check the colorize and give eyes a bright, intense color. Check if the color races too far to the doesn't cover the whole iris. If this is the case, paint of the layer max. To fix it, paint with black to remove the effect and with white to add it. The eyes may lack detail now, especially if you are trying to brighten them. To fix this, double click on the color layer and go to a layer style dialog box pop up. Go to blend it, gray, and grab the lower dark marker and drag it to the right. This will remove the effect from the dark parts of the photo. Hold Alt key and when dragging to split the marker and make the effect more gradual. hit the OK. The brighten the intended color. The further you can move the marker, you can adjust the setting later as orange. If you try to make the eyes darker, you will notice that the shine over the get darker too. To fix this, hold Ctrl key and click the layer marker to create a selection. Press Q and paint with a white over the pupils, remove them from the selection. Then press Q again. I have no need to paint it, so go back to the background layer. Go back to the background layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection part. Drag it to the top and name it shine. Press Ctrl L and press Ctrl L. Drag the black marker to the right until the eyes are black and shiny. Then click OK. Set the blend mode to screen. Now the shine will stay white regardless of the color. Now that we have taken care of all the problems, you are free to change the eyes to any color you wish. You can also adjust the intensity of the effect by duplicating the layers or lowering their opacity. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.